Check that rock climber up there, mate. What a sick member. Guys, we are going to hit it up right now. Boy, we're in. Cameras and alarm. Guys, before, when we was seeing them guys rock climbing, I think he's had an accident, like on a serious level. I think he might have fell off. Not that I wanted to see it, guys, but... What's fucking going on? What's going on? Day 5, guys. We've had a lot of busts in the past couple of days round here. They've got a theatre there, can you see it? There's loads of theatres on this road. They're just really hard to access at the minute, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to probably press on or see what we can check today. Let me just jump over this. But yeah, we're going to check what we can do today. If not, we're going to press on because we've got loads more locations. And so, yeah, we're going to go into Spoons now, get a breakfast. Got to have the Spoons breakfast, isn't it, Roy? That guy.
Funny looking person ever. I couldn't work out if it was a really ugly girl or a funny looking man. Do you know what I mean? Did you not see the chin? Come down, the face was like concave like that.
Rita wants to go low.
Yeah, what you saying? I said that or surfing me.
That one. Guys, basically we've just been in there and the sensor caught us. What I'll do, I'll play that clip right now for you.
Can we get through there? Yeah. I don't think I'm that fucking skinny.
I think you are. Yeah, 100%.
There's cameras and alarm. Get out.
So yeah, it goes to the back of a museum. We can't be going in there. The sensors will be going off. Everything will be going off. But these tunnels go for miles. It's a train tunnel. And basically, on this train tunnel, there is bunkers, there's train tunnels going, but there's also live train tunnels as well. That's how we just got in. Yeah, that was already like that, guys, like straight up. So that's the place we just tried getting in. Just been running in there. Wow, guys, just look how big that is. Absolutely massive. Check that tunnel there as well. That's a mad. Check that rock climber up there, mate. What a sick member. Right, so guys, yeah, we're gonna go and hit up this bunker right now. We're still in the south, and it is day 5. We've had a few busts and we've had a few relaxed days, but now hit it hard on the way back through. Sick members. So guys, it looks like we found this bunker. And as you can see, the locks are not even on. So we're going to open it up in a minute when High Times is ready. We're going to check it out. Yeah, big shout out to Sam and Jess for getting us this location today. Because if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be going to these locations today. They've helped us out a lot. Guys, we are going to hit it up right now. Boy, we're in.
Yo, it was way to power to get to. That's the one.
Go into the alarm. That's go into that alarm box up there.
Look at the alarm box there.
Yeah.
It's been alarm, isn't it?
Guys, we're inside the bunker now.
Yo!
Wow.
Didn't expect it to be this big. Yo!
Yo. Yeah, we want to leave the door open, guys, just in case someone comes. We can't have them knocking us in. So we've got that up there. Oh, watch that. So guys, we are deep underground now inside a mountain. Yo!
That's to that door.
That's to the other door.
That's to that metal
Right.
gate door.
That's insane, that.
That's an escape tunnel.
So we have got an escape route, guys.
This is definitely not rail tunnel, all lines. Yeah, no bamboo. Okay, no wooden bench. Don't like to flat. Whoa, what the hell? That's some
Oh, so is that where it ends?
Yeah. That would have been another escape, actually. Look, you can run in pipes and... Well, guys.
So guys, you can imagine all the bombs going off and you're underneath this ground in the war. I know it was an only small tunnel, but we've got another bunker at the top of the road that we can hit. This was a disused rail tunnel, which was turned into a type of bomb shelter for the war. I don't know, so we'll look. Guys, I'm going to go down there.
Just to see what's up here, guys, and I think it's just an escape route.
Yeah.
It's just an escape hatch, which is locked tight. I'm gonna go back through now.
Did you just mine that out? Did you just mine that out by hand, Joe?
Yeah.
What are they?
They look like pellets, don't they?
They're bullets.
What?
They're little bullets.
Are they?
Bro, they're either rivets or bullets. Little tiny ass bullets or rivets.
There's a lot of them as well.
They might be boxing it. Yeah. All transforming. Let's see. These are the boxes to polish so it can't, so they've got somewhere safe.
Guys, before, when we was seeing them guys rock climbing, if you can see down there, I think my lens is blurred actually. You can see down there, I think he's had an accident, like on a serious level. I think he might have fell off. Oh, he actually has, he's up there. You can see him up there. You're telling me this bunker that we're doing now is in this mountainside and we've got pure fed up there.
Pure fed.
Wow.
What the hell? Not that I wanted to see it again, guys, but...
Bro.
What, we're going down?
You don't understand what's going on here, guys.
Putting camera down on you guys.
Yo, what's fucking going on?
What's going on?
Yo, guys, what is going on?
What?
Someone's gone missing, I think. Absolute madness, bro. Absolute madness. We just come out of that bunker / air raid shelter / shooting range, and all this is going on outside. Like, that is the way we actually go in to get in this place, right? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna have to put it on hold for a sec, because I'm telling you guys, it's hectic round here, and literally across the road from all this hectic stuff, that's exactly where we're going. No, it can't be. We're tripping, bro. Bro, if that was a foot. But you'd never know with what's going on out here. I don't know if it was the climbers. I don't know what's happening. Look. Right. They're taking a boat out and they're blowing it up. But
Can you believe?
pretty sure,
It's
yeah.
not like I wanted to see it, guys. That
Nah.
It's not like I can screw you up for life.
I definitely didn't want to see
All
it.
these people that go out there saying you want to see these sick things. If you actually did, you know, it would play on your mind for the rest of your life, I guarantee it, unless you are a sick weirdo.
Well, that's our hotel for the night. We are going to look so out of place here, aren't we, bro? We're going to look out of place here, aren't we, bro? Look at that. So that's our hotel for the night, guys. And we're going to go out again tonight and hit some more stuff up. I'll fill you in later, yeah? Guys, that were a guy. Safety first. Is it posh? Oh shit, bro. Is it? Yeah, we look out of place in here. Check the bar. We just got in the hotel room. It's well better. It's well better.
Staying in the Hampton by Hilton.
Yeah. We're pretty high. We're on the 7th floor, guys. What is it like? Is that shut? Like, wow. Look at that. Oh, yeah, then it opens the wardrobe, bro.
What?
Wow!
It opens the wardrobe. Yo.
We are simple northern folk. But hang on, does that mean you can see through it? No.
But this is the best hotel room we've had. Apart from that caravan, that caravan was alright, wasn't it? I like that. But we're in here for 2 nights, guys, and it's cushy.
Oh, look, you can give spare pillars for the whoever's on the floor.
Look at that.